So, hi guys, hope you all are doing great during this quarantine. Lately, I have been posting videos related to web development, so I thought that it would be a great idea if I also put on videos or series of videos on how to create a website using HTML, CSS, and JS. In this series, there is something special, which is that I will be coding live and I'll be showing you guys this particular designs and sections that I have been using for my clients, and I have been using it professionally. So, using this particular videos, you can code the similar sections into your website and make your website look even more professional. So, without any further ado, let's start with the video. Also, another thing is that these particular sections are so well to do and so pretty that you can directly just use the similar code and customize the colors and another settings yourself. That also I will be showing you guys so that you end up making a website that looks so professional, whether it is for you or for your client. So, without any further ado, let's start the video.